Okay, I'm at Big Talbot Island in the parking lot right now, and I'm going to hike. And the first trail is Big Pine Trail, only half a mile. Here you go. This is my trail. It's a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's about the 2 o'clock Monday morning, afternoon. Look, everything turns so green. Summer is coming. Such a beautiful afternoon. I'm heading back to the parking lot. Look at that, wow, beautiful. And yep, I was hoping that this trail actually takes me out to the ocean so that I can walk all the way to the end, but nope. Anyway, I'm almost back, and then I'm gonna take the bike trail. Look, East Coast Greenway, Maine to Florida. Wow, it's all connected. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous trail. It's a bike trail. And look at this butterfly. Come back. It's actually a first time for me to walk this trail. I haven't even been here. Look, I didn't know that Big Talbot has these open areas. Only bikes and pets. It's a beautiful day to be out here. The weather is 70s, light wind. See, got the hiking stick too, just one. Another information post. Agent of Change, Florida on fire. Are they doing a controlled burn? It's a bike trail. Such a beautiful trail. I think this trail takes me out to the ocean. I should be. Oh yeah, I'm out in the ocean now. Now we're gonna do some beach walk. Look at how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. All the driftwood. Wow. Now we have to do some climbing. The mud flip. Pretty cool. What do you think? Wow, this is something completely different. Look at these trees. Wow, look at these roads. Gotta take some pictures here. So much to see actually here. Okay, I gotta jump now. So I'm gonna take some pictures here. Put my camera here. Oh. Pretty cool. You know what? You can actually see how the root system is underground. It's full of roots. Wow, it's pretty cool. That. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm at the end of island, Big Talbot Island, north end. There's a Spoonbill Pond. I'm gonna go around the corner. I guess I'm gonna eat something like an apple, and I have a tomato. So take a little break, and then I'm gonna walk back. So now I am at the Spoonbill Pond. Gonna check out the birds here. These are short-billed towers. These are short-billed towers. There's also one lesser yellow legs. Pretty cool. What's going on? That's lesser yellow legs. Okay, Spoonbill Pond. It's a good spot to take a break. Tomato. They're very unique looking birds. They have long legs, black and white, just like cows in Europe. Okay, it's time to continue my hike or walk. It is a hike. So far I walked 5.7 miles. Where did you go? I see you. Don't hide. I can see you. Don't hide. Oh, you're there already? Okay, bye. Boardwalking. So now I have about 4 miles to walk this trail, bike trail. It's a paved trail, so it's easy or hard, either way. Okay, I'm gonna walk all the way back. Actually, my car is right here. Pretty cool. It's 1, 2, 3, probably like 3 miles, 3.5 miles. Not bad. .1 miles in 3 hours and 20 minutes. Not bad. That's one of the parking lots. That means I have probably 2 more miles to go. My car is right at the end of that green edge. I came from here. Yep, first I started here, I went there, came back by the road. I have about a mile, maybe a mile and a half to go. Yep, you gotta be careful here. Pass with care this post. Okay, I passed it. One lonely tree, middle of nowhere. I thought someone is behind me. So far, I hiked 8 miles today. I have 1 more mile to go. Okay, that's the first parking lot. I walked so far 9 miles. Not bad. And I'm not even tired. Okay, I have some trash. I have to get rid of that one. They do have it, so I can use this trash can. I have some orange peels. Okay, and where did I put my banana tree peels? If I can get it out. There you go. Much lighter. Much lighter, yeah. Alright, just gonna continue. I have about half a mile to go to my car. But now it's gonna be a road walk. a real road walk. There's my car. Okay, let me see. What is the time? Let me look up the time. 4 hours and 7 minutes.